strive to remind your family members about their practice of Islam. And the best way of doing this is for you to practice your Islam. For you to pray in your home. When you go home from work and it's Maghrib time, for example, then that's the time that for you to pray Maghrib in your home and to call your family members and encourage them to pray with you. And never stop doing that, because sometimes they may, if they're not praying, then they would give you some excuses. But you keep telling them, keep reminding them of their duties to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Because if you do nothing, they would continue to drift away from Islam. So remember, one of the best ways of achieving this objective is for you to practice your Islam in your home. Be mindful of what you do. Be mindful of what you say, your words, your deeds, your actions in your home, because your children will notice that. Your children will notice that, and soon enough they will follow. Likewise, if you're not praying and you tell them to pray, if they're young children, they have to listen to you because they don't have a choice maybe. They're scared of you. But soon enough, they get into teenage years and they would find excuses. They wouldn't pray because they see their parents, their mother, their father, they don't pray. So they would ask themselves, why should I pray? And that drifting away from Islam continues step by step, step by step. Shaitan is so active. Don't forget that. That drifting away. Stop eating halal food, eating haram food. Because if it's so easy to do that in this society. Fast food and other things. Easy. When the children are away from home, who would watch them? Who would supervise them? Who would know what they're doing? They do whatever they want to do. So this belief, this iman must be inside of them. This is what we need to work on. That they understand Islam, they know Islam, they willingly practice Islam on their own because they love Islam. They love Islam.